Welcome to One Man One Dog. So I finished my last video off on making my blinds, and here it is. Well, not blinds, blind. I fitted this because it was a bit hard to get off the window when it was in place, because it's a really snug fit. Right, okay, so I've got some stuff to show you. If you follow my Facebook page, you will have seen. So here it is. So here we have the solar power panel and kit that I've got. So first of all is the leisure battery. I think it's 55 amp hours. So brand new, been charged. Right, the solar panel, these are just some of the wires with it, but let me just show you the back. It's got one of these on it, and it's got circuitry in it to protect it. So that's a 10 watt solar panel. Right, the solar charger, I'm not getting it out, you'll see that in the rest of this video. Then I've got this bag here, and this has got all connectors in and that. Let me just open it and empty it. Right, so 12 volt sockets, voltmeter, a 12 volt socket and a USB socket. Let's just have a look. These are marine ones, so they're waterproof. 5 volt, 1 amp, 5 volt, 2.1 amp. Just a 12 volt socket. These are some connectors. Quick release connectors, because I wanted to take the solar panel off when I'm not using it, just for safety. Let's get them out and show you one of them. That's them. Quick release connectors for the wires. Then here we've got this bag here. And this is the fuse box. Right, I've said before, I sold this kit to my brother. He's not used it, so I've bought it back. And yesterday I got the kitchen unit out of the car and I started redesigning it to hold all this. Okay, so as you can see, I've got the kitchen unit in. Got the battery there. So it's time to redesign my unit. Just chop this piece of wood by hand. There's my design. This black piece you can see going across, I'm going to remove that now. Why I fitted this piece here in like a kind of recess, because the solar charge controller, the fuse box are going on here. And I'm going to put the 12 volt sockets and USB on here too. Right, I ain't got loads of time, so I'm going to just do as much as I can. Okay, I've fitted this beam going down here. And this black bar there to hold the battery in. Now I'm going to put a strap on my battery. I've got an old webbing belt, so I'm going to use that to strap the battery in. Well, that's it for today now. I might paint this piece of wood going down here black tonight, but that's it for today, because I'm busy tonight. Okay, so you might have seen me other night, this piece here, I had a black piece fitted there. It was thinner, but this is the same width as this stuff. So I've put this down there, put the black piece at the back, put a piece down there to hold the battery in that you can see there. I'm going to put something in this gap here to hold the battery still. Right, so that's that. I'm going to put a piece of wood going across here now, so I've got 2 compartments. I'm going to build boxes for each compartment that slip out. Okay. This is a kind of rough plan on my side where the solar charger is going and my fuse box. So this here is the solar charger and this here is the fuse box. Just drew a little design on it. What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Oh, here he is. Here he is. DIY dog, aren't you? Okay, just fitted that and that. Board across, 2 compartments. When I put the board across, that's it for today. I want to fit the solar charger and my fuse box to the side here. Okay, so I've fitted this shelf. Got a compartment underneath, like I said. I'm going to build a box to fit, or a drawer really, but it'll be deep and wide. And a drawer for this one, that'll be quite deep. Took the battery out. Going to start drilling this now, the opposite side. I was putting my fuse box there and my solar charger there, the charge controller, but the charge controller's going up the top now, up here. Right, give it a lick of paint. So it's been painted. Give it another coat of black. Right, so I'll let the paint dry now. So here's the kitchen unit. Painted it last night. Stayed up till midnight messing. All I've got to do now is fit the belt for the battery. The strap down there. But why I stayed up till midnight was because of this. Did a collage. Cut up a Camping and Caravan Club magazine and did this collage. Let's have a closer look. I did it with PVA glue, watered the PVA glue down. Right, I've got a few other little things I want to do on it today, and it's going in with carbide dinner time. Okay, you can't see very well, but that's a belt, a webbing belt, if you can see it. It goes under here, and watch that around, and is attached there. The other side goes under there, and is attached there. So that's to hold the battery in. I'll just show you it in. Right, you can't see the greatest, but can you see any better that way? You can see the belt buckle there. So it straps in, and then put a piece of wood there to pack it in. That'll slat out. Right, the battery's fully charged. Okay, so that's it fitted. I've put this string on these hooks going across and drilled a piece of dowel so it just slips out like that. The drawer comes out, goes back in like that. The battery's going to go down there. So that's it for this video now. It's going to be continued. Okay, Thanks for watching. Oh, I nearly forgot. I've made another template.